Time to focus on business now. Business editor Mike Apple joins us. Mike, good morning.
Hello there, Crystal. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm just wondering, are we seeing a bit of a rebound looking at the markets this morning?
Yeah, sure are. Right now we've got all of the markets up. It is remarkable to see the resilience of the stock markets compared to the actual global economy. Tomorrow we're going to get the worst monthly jobs report on record. Millions of Canadians and Americans unemployed just in the past week, or the past month. The past week, we saw 3 million more Americans join the unemployment ranks. And still, with the economic stimulus that has been pumped into the financial system by central banks, the NASDAQ, which is the tech bellwether on Wall Street, is now positive for the year. The Dow Jones is up by, let's see here, 275 points. The TSX is up 150. It has been a really strong start to the day. Some of it's based on earnings, but the tech stocks have certainly been mostly the star performers, we'll call them, on the market so far.
And we are seeing some tech sectors really doing well through all this. What is happening with Shopify?
Well, okay, so everybody's shopping e-commerce, right? Because mainline stores are closed. Shopify provides the software for a lot of small businesses to get online to sell their goods. They saw a big spike in sales in the first quarter, and net result, that stock has been absolutely on fire on the TSX this year. It's doubled since the start of the year. It's up something like 3,000% plus over a 3-year time frame. And Shopify is now, well, for a brief time yesterday, it was the most valuable company in Canada, surpassing the Royal Bank. Now, compare and contrast those two companies. Royal Bank does $45 billion in sales. Shopify does about $2 billion, much smaller, and yet it is Canada's most valuable. You know, it's the funny thing, the market looks for growth, things like that, and that's what they've been buying, why they've been buying Shopify rather than the big banks. So, an interesting trend nonetheless.
Well, thanks, Mike. We'll check in with you again tomorrow. You can also hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour. Now for a look at markets.
This portion of BT is brought to you by 660 News, Calgary's breaking news, weather, and traffic station.